Hello Denver, let's check out my new listing at 5606 South Helena Court in Centennial, Colorado, over here in Piney Creek neighborhood off of Orchard Road and Parker Road. This beautiful home is 6 bedrooms, 4 baths, over 4,000 finished square feet, and is priced at $800,000. Let's take a look inside. As we walk in, you see the nice curved staircase. Beautiful front room that they're using as an office, but this would be your formal living room. Wood floors. Large dining room. Leading into a huge family room here with gas fireplace. Leads over to the kitchen that way. This way we have a 3/4 bath and a main floor bedroom that could also be used as an office or a bedroom. There is a full closet here. Now let's work over to the kitchen. Nice cabinets, double ovens. All the appliances come with. Granite counters. Nice eating table here. Let's run out to the backyard. Beautiful deck. And a nice big wide yard. This home also has newer paint on the outside, newer windows throughout, and a fairly new roof too. The roof is a 40-year, I believe. 3-car garage, and like I said, over 4,100 square feet. Let's take a look upstairs. As we move upstairs, the curved staircase leads to a nice landing area. We have the primary bedroom on this side. Great size, plenty of room. And a beautiful remodeled bath with dual sinks, standalone soaking tub, frameless glass shower, and a nice big closet. As we move over to the other side, we have 3 bedrooms over here. Another full bath with newer tile, newer countertops. A 3rd bedroom. And a 4th bedroom. Like I said, plenty of room in this house. Let's move to the basement. As we move down to the basement, we've got a little game area here. Shuffleboard table is included, by the way. Back over here we have a theater room. And then a weight room. And another full bath, and another very large bedroom. So like I said, 6 bedrooms, 4 baths, 4,100 finished square feet over here in Piney Creek. The address again is 5606 South Helena Court in Centennial, Colorado, priced at $800,000. I think this will go fast because it's just a lot of square footage for the money. If you are interested, please scan the QR code there above me and get all the information, or give me a call at 303-809-2775. Thanks and have a great day.